Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I got this look, this bendy wavy tousled look. It takes about 10 minutes, and if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I'm starting off with fresh washed hair. I've let it dry naturally just for about 30 minutes, and I just part it in the middle, comb through. I just use a little bit of my FREIDA Frizz Ease. Just about 2 pumps. And I just run it through the ends mostly. The less product I use, the longer I can go without washing my hair. My hair tends to get quite oily pretty quickly, so this also protects it from the heat. Okay, now I'm going to take all the moisture out just by blow drying my hair with my fingers. I'll start off tipping my head upside down and then in the upright position just until all the moisture's out. Iron I'll be using is my SASSOON Big Hair Soft Curls. I did have a silver bullet which lasted me many years, but that just died a couple of weeks ago, so I picked this one up from Priceline. They only come in one setting, so one barrel. I like that it doesn't have the clamp. I find that my hair gets stuck in the clamp, so this one works for me. I like the size of the barrel. It's quite large. It doesn't tell me what size, but I'm sure it's the largest one that you can get. I start from the back and get a piece. And then I take my curling iron behind me and wrap my hair horizontally. I don't know why horizontally, I just find the curls work better this way, around the curling wand, and leave it there for about 10 seconds, making sure I hold the end and not curl it right to the end and not right at the root, just a little bit off the root and off the end. And then I just let it go. 210 degrees is the highest setting, and I keep it on the highest setting throughout the whole process and continue on till I finish the rest of this side. So once the bottom's done, I take the clip from the top, grab the bottom section that I've just curled, and pin it back using the same hairpin. And now I'm ready to do the top half of my hair. Starting from the back again. Once I get to the front section of my hair, these are the parts that I want to frame my face. I take the piece that's going to sort of sit behind my ear and wind it around vertically. And then this last bit, I take the wand to about there where I want it to sort of flick out, wind it around and make sure the end bit's sticking out towards of my face, and roll the wand up and down and just moving it around a little bit so it's a nice loose curl. I don't really like curls actually, it's more of a bend that I'm going for. I like a bendy look. I just tuck that behind my ear and start with the other side. So I'll finish with the top half and I'm pretty happy with it. It's bendy enough. Then I unpin the back and just lightly comb through with my fingers. Then I take my Batiste dry shampoo. Even though my hair is freshly washed, I just like that it gives it a bit of oomph, a bit of volume, a bit of texture, and I just spray some into the roots. Using my fingers, I just create a more tousled look. And that is all for this bendy, wavy, tousled look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!